In this video here, we'll demonstrate how to replace the ultrasound probe clamp, which is this piece right here. Sometimes you might find that over time, some of these components might break, either due to UV damage or the plastic degrading over time. It's 3D printed plastic, so it's actually a little bit brittle. But we've actually provided a couple of extra probe clamps so that you can replace this one if it breaks. So in order to replace the probe clamp, you'll need the two hex drivers that we've provided, the 1.5mm and the 2mm bits. So we'll start out the 2mm driver. First, we want to flip the device over and remove these 4 screws right here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Now that you've removed all 4 screws, next you'll take your 1.5mm driver. You'll lift this assembly out from the blue piece of plastic, and then you'll remove these 2 screws right here. Now you can take your old probe clamp, put it aside, and install the new one. To install the new one, you'll simply follow the steps that I just described in reverse. Once you've attached these 2 screws, next you'll want to place the force sensor cable into this small clamp that's 3D printed here into the housing. It may be difficult to see, but you can see it right there. So you want to press the cable into that clamp like that. Then you can go ahead, put this piece in position, and then insert your M2.5 screws into these 4 holes. Voila! You've now replaced the old probe clamp with a brand new one, and you're ready to go.